How to fix the Roblox player not moving glitch? First, go to the Roblox website and search for any experience. You just need to open any game. In this example, I will load this game right here, Jailbreak. Click on the game, press play. After that, all you need to do once the game loads, you need to come here on the Roblox logo, here on settings. Inside the settings menu, pay close attention to the movement mode option. In my case, it's set to click to move, which means I have to right click to move my character. If you're having trouble moving, I recommend changing this to the default setting, so just switch this arrow to default, which uses keyboard for the movement. After doing this, you should be able to move normally using WASD or the arrow keys. So let's test. If that doesn't fix the problem, try unplugging your keyboard and plugging it back into a different USB port. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.